Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to get the size of the database in SQL Server 2022 by using T-SQL query. Okay. So let me open the SQL Server Management Studio. So see here I have opened all the database here. Before that I am showing the version of SQL Server. So this is the SQL Server version I am using. SQL Server 2022 Developer Edition. So many ways to get the databases size. So this is the first method. Execute sp underscore space used. So this sp underscore space used store procedure will give you the some details about your database size, like database size, unallocated space, reserved data, index size, unused space, etc. So you can use this store procedure called sp underscore space used. Second method, execute sp underscore help db. So this sp underscore help db store procedure also will give you the database size. So it will take database name as a parameter. So also you can see that file name, file group, size, max size, growth, usage, those things also got printed. Okay, now next I am going to show you sp underscore databases store procedure. So this will give you all the database size. So whatever database inside the SQL server will be printed with along its database size. sp underscore databases store procedure will give you this information. Okay, let me try for another database for sp underscore help db. Yes, so it give you the master database size. Let me try another one. Yes. So last two queries are same. Okay, use master. Let me execute sp underscore space used once again. Yes. So this is the way we can get the database size using some inbuilt store procedure called sp underscore space used, sp underscore databases, sp underscore help db. So these store procedures will give you the database size in SQL Server 2022.